in business for 13 years here at Bullet Performance, exclusively servicing BMW cars. Here at Bullet Performance, we do work on just BMW cars. We have the latest software, we have the best computers, everything that you would get at a dealership. There's really nothing we cannot fix, program, or update on your late model BMW. We can do bumper-to-bumper repair. We do brakes, tires, services, alignments, all electrical, air conditioning, pretty much everything that breaks on your BMW, we can fix here.
I drive an X5 and I've been going to Bullet for about 10 years now. I actually live in LA and I drive an hour each way to come here. Mickey is an amazing mechanic. He's the only guy who I've ever known who's been able to diagnose most of my problems over the phone. We have great prices and I'm a customer for life.
For service needs, please give us a call at 714-556-4269.